Still facing machine downtime due to unauthorized restarts? Here is a smarter way to control it. Come, let us see how it works. This panel operates at single-phase AC supply, which is protected by an MCB against short circuit and overload. When this MCB gets on, the SMPS is powered up, which provides necessary and stable 24 voltage DC supply for all the control components inside the panel. Fuse is a material which safeguards all the control components in the panel. Here comes the brain of automation system, programmable logic controller. The PLC receives input signal, processes it according to the logic and controls the overall process. This is the Ethernet switch used for communication purpose, followed by a 4-channel relay which isolates the machinery from our control panel. These are all the terminal blocks which interlinks our control panel with the machine, and the internal temperature is consistently maintained with the help of exhaust fan. Connect with Ausweg Info Controls to build a smarter manufacturing process.